So you want to start homeschooling your kids and you're wondering what a realistic day looks like as a homeschool mom. I'm going to take you along on my day and share with you some tips and tricks that I've learned as a homeschool mom. I like to start my morning with some me time. I feel that I'm a better mom when I spend some time learning myself and being able to prepare myself spiritually for the day.
Treating motherhood like a job helps me to stay organized and have the right mental headspace to be there for my family. Giving myself that me time in the morning helps me to have the best mental health so I can slay the day and be there for my daughter. Today I decided to take her to the park later that day, but I also gave myself a nice morning walk. I divide my homeschool day into 3 different sections. Number 1, core education. Number 2, a big hands-on project. And 3, time outside of the house. Having all 3 of these helps for a well-rounded day of homeschool, and I absolutely see my daughter thriving on this. Core education is curriculum-based learning. I've based my learning style on the book The Phases of Learning, and you can also go online to see what requirements go for each grade. As far as curriculums go, depending on your child's needs, I would do a lot of research in that. I feel I'm not the right one to talk about curriculum because my daughter is so young, but another thing I do implement into my homeschool is religious learning. We are Christians, and so we love to do Bible studies every day. My favorite thing is to start the day with our hands-on project to get learning fun and exciting. The Phases of Learning talks about building and instilling a love of learning in your children, and being able to tailor it to my daughter's needs is going to make sure that she has a love of learning. One of my biggest tips is to prep things the night before. It really helps things to go smoothly the next day. If you are interested in the book The Phases of Learning, I will have it linked in the description box below. Another huge tip that has saved me so many times is getting your hands on one of these wooden stools. They are such a lifesaver. They help for hands-on activities and can fold down into a little table. My toddler loves this and uses it so often. Another thing I love about these stools is that there's a chalkboard on the back. That is also fantastic. I will have it linked in the description box below. Lastly, taking time outside. This is one of the most important parts of the day I've learned, and the part that the kids look most forward to. Did you know that spending time outside raises your dopamine levels by 50%? It also resets your circadian rhythm for better sleep, and it is good for kids to spend time outside overall. When my daughter gets older, I want to teach her how to garden. I feel it is such a useful tool. Even if that is just moving your studies outside to do your curriculum out in the open, or planning a fun activity, visiting a museum, exercising, outdoor learning is very, very important for children. This is what we did for our homeschool day today. For our big hands-on activity, we made homemade Play-Doh. Then we learned about Christ and looked at pictures of him. After that, she learned her colors and also worked on her pencil grasp. Later on that day, after going to the park, we decided to work on our family history at the Family History Center. Those were our 2 outdoor activities. Another big question many might have is how to balance homemaking and homeschooling. It's important to teach your kids to be involved in the homemaking process. Studies have shown that giving kids chores actually builds their self-esteem and helps them in the long run. So it's a benefit for everyone involved. I typically do my cleaning when I find that my brain is the best and is able to focus the most. For me, that's in the morning. I am definitely a morning person, but I know many people who get their cleaning done at night. Just work your cleaning around your homeschool schedule and do much of your cleaning during your children's independent learning. Around 1 p.m., our homeschool is all done, and my husband comes home around that time as well. So we take that time to spend time as a family and build our family relationships.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and comment down below any questions that you might have about homeschooling, about mothering toddlers, or about my vision. And I will see you in the next video.